Hi, I'm Leanne. I'm a mom of 3 toddlers, and this is my review of the Anna and Elsa castle. We have had this castle for almost 4 years, so it has definitely stood the test of time. When you have your person up here, they can step on this button and you get this ice feature that pops up. So I'll show you one more time and you get a little spinning here. We did lose some of the sticker, but again, it's been almost 4 years. You can open up the doors to the castle and there's Elsa, and she's also standing on a feature. So when you press her head down, you're gonna get that glowing and that frozen style sound. You can pop out the staircase and you're gonna get a few different sounds, one of which is the Let It Go song. And it sings the song for about 25 seconds. But the nice thing is this toy has 2 volumes. So you can choose the louder volume or you can choose the softer volume. And I love that feature because toys, when they get pressed a lot, you can hear that thing over and over again. So they can come down the slide in the Ice Palace. And then I'll show you the back. So the back is also really fun. So you have a little bit of the castle here. You've got some ice features, you have a bed. Over here, there's like a little bit of the ice cave and there's some gloves on the wall. So this toy really allows the kids to be imaginative. They think about the movies, they listen to the songs, and it just allows for creative play. So it's a sturdy toy, it's a reliable toy, and I definitely recommend it.